armed with coffee, I'm going to make a start on the bike again today. There's going to be ups and downs on the journey, but I think if I get the back wheel in, I might be doing it wrong. You can leave the comments below. The swing arm's in. I've got one foot peg on, so I'll show you how to put the foot peg on a bit later on, but I am going to go for trying to put the back wheel in. It's going to be a bit difficult because it's only going to be one pair of hands. But let's see if we can do it. We'll try, and then if we can't do it the first way, we'll try again. Because at the moment the box that I'm on is on wheels and it keeps moving about. Now I could block it so the box doesn't move about, but I think if I can get both the wheels on and it on the side stand, I'm going to feel more comfortable working around it. So let's try and do that. Now you can see my problem, obviously. I've got to try and get the back wheel in without toppling it off of the stand. So I'm going to slide it off a bit, slide it down to the back to balance it precariously with no safety boots on. Wow, safety experts, here I am. First things first, that spindle's going to have to come out, isn't it? It's going to have to be pushed through at the same time. So, off. That needs to be, need the mallet. Ooh, balance it, balance it. A bit of common sense tells me the spindle can't be through it because otherwise I'm not going to go in there, so I'm going to have to take the spindle out first. Right way, wrong way, I don't know. Strength training, ooh, that's a bit precarious. $20 pairs of hands would be helpful. I don't think that's going to happen like that, is it? This is not working. Now if it was laid on its side I could manage, couldn't I? I've got to get that back out now though. Okay, I'm going to taking it off the box, laying it on its side. Where there's a will, there's a way. Rather than let it fall to the floor, I'm going to take it off the box itself. I'll do this. That's heavy. Right, it's off the box. Gather up the bits. Oh. I can but try. It has to come out again. It has to come out again. Where there's a will, there's a way. Ow. Comedy chaos. Probably like what should be struggling anyway. Struggling. Bunch. This is so frustrating. Obviously this is an unscripted channel. You're going to see all the struggles, all the drama. can sort of get that in without bending it. Make sure the underneath is straight. Make sure the holes are lined out. Seems to be working. Let's have a breather. My coffee's over there. I love those videos of little Chinese girls when they're just lifting the bike up, when it's all complete, when it's not in 1,000 bits. Like mine. Okay. Right, we are up. Oh, that was easier. I might leave it like that for a while. I might leave it like that. Just tighten up the back wheel. Woohoo! Not sure that's in the right position, but there you go. I think that's supposed to be under there. Yes, we can do it. Let's get the right socket or a spanner on it. Nineteen. Oh, I'm so pleased that is on. So pleased. Right. Let's go for the lower box again.